Hey guys, hope your day's going well. I just had something exciting come in the mail from Stonemeyer Games. So let's break into it here. That's right, Wingspan Pocket. And there's Wingspan Pocket. And the little expansion for Origin Story, Heroes and Villains. So I enjoy Stonemeyer Games. We enjoy Wingspan in this house and Wormspan. Not a big fan of Finspan, but really like the other two. So excited to break into this. And I do also enjoy Origin Story, but I think this expansion was a great idea to add some more heroes and villains, because that is what's missing. So let's break into these. Oh, we got a new card too. Interesting. Is this if you win the final trick, gain a stamina. Interesting. Okay. Is there a rules card here? There is. All right. So updated rules. Shuffle all superheroes and supervillain cards and deal 3. So everyone's going to get more choices. Then on round 5, you're going to choose a superhero or supervillain card to reveal. And unless stated on the card, you can choose whether you want to be a hero or a villain. It doesn't have to match the type of card you revealed. And then we have solo mode. Superhero and supervillain changes. Yeah, cool. Yeah, and then I don't think this is from the base game. Nice art. Okay, so then we have Altruism, Anchor, Arsenal. I can't read that. Petrichor, Shifter, Sidekick, Vancardia, Blandish, Callus, Conduit, Justice, Memento. That one's cool. What do you guys think of the art in Origin Story? It's kind of grown on me. So I used to do watercolor painting. My grandma taught me. So I do appreciate watercolor painting. And these look pretty cool. These look awesome. I wonder if it's not the right tone for the game. I think he could, like, the art is good, but maybe it just doesn't quite fit the tone of the game. But anyway, yeah. There you go. So that's all of those. Very nice. And now we got Wingspan Pocket. I'm very excited to play this and also to try it solo. Are these stickers going to come off, or am I going to have to cut the box? I'm going to have to cut it. Let's see. Give me a second here. Let's see if these will just peel off. Okay, that's good. Yeah, 1 to 5 players, 25 to 35 minutes. Very excited about this. All right, so we've got our rule book. 11 pages. That should be pretty easy to breeze through. We've got our Atoma. So, what are your thoughts on regular Wingspan solo? I do not like it. I enjoy strategy games when I'm playing with multiple people, but I found with solo games, I actually enjoy more abstract stuff. And I found with Wingspan, it was like, why am I trying to beat my own score and go through all this trouble? But I think this one will be easy enough to manage that I'll actually enjoy it. And maybe I'll grow into the other one. Okay, we got some reference cards here. 4 of them, or 5 of them. Very nice. Yeah, those are good. And of course, the art for Wingspan is very nice. Oh, these eggs are really nice, guys. Wow, these are really nice eggs. I love the colors. They got like gold flecks on them that are really nice. Wow, those are beautiful. Those are maybe the nicest eggs. And we got some feathers, wooden feathers. Those look nice. Some mini cards here. These look like goals. Okay. And, oh, that one's on tight. Let's see if I can, there we go. And these are our bird cards, which are double-sided. So you've got one side that's food and one side that is birds. So, you know, typical Wingspan food symbols. Looks nice. And then we've got our birds. Shout out if there's a bird that you know or a bird from your area. Great theme for just a more relaxing game. Oh, we've got our bird facts too. A hummingbird. I mean, I think I already said this, but they did a great job with the art of Wingspan. I think arguably Wingspan looks better than Wormspan as a whole package. The Wormspan just looks a little busier and the player boards just aren't as nice. Again, I like the watercolor artwork that the guy does, but I think the dragons look good. The caves just look okay, and the player mat just looks okay. But these look great. Oh, an ostrich. A raven. Huh. Not too many really exotic looking birds. That's okay though. They're nice. And looks like we got more birds in here, so we'll get those out for you to look at. Again, food on this side, birds on the other side. Ooh, that one's pretty. Greater flamingo. I'll have that up a little closer for you. Yeah, my family and I are going camping this weekend, so we do like getting out in nature. Maybe we'll see some birds. What about you? What are your thoughts? Do you enjoy the outdoors? Oh, that's a pretty one. I can say that I'm not a super hardcore outdoorsman, but I do appreciate it. But you will find me inside on a sunny day playing a game as well. Ooh. That one's kind of funny looking. Lots and lots of birds. This is tons of birds for this. That's great. Oh, that one's from the base game. That's a funny looking one. Oh, that one's cool too. I like that one. All right, almost done here, guys. And hopefully I'll have a playthrough of this up for solo play very soon. So this is a goal display. And then these are, oh, these are for the players. So these are the nests for the players. And there's an automa nest in there too. And then we have our automa cards, which I think are going to be pretty easy to run. Oh, and just a nice artwork card. Yeah, so that's everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and enjoy the rest of your day. Just going to get this packed up. Yeah, so. All right. Adios.